Mediabase on VFX Control, Part 3. In this tutorial, we will go over how to create playlists within the Mediabase. The first thing you need to do is to right-click on a track you wish to add to a playlist. In the menu, select Add to Playlist, then Prepare. You can add tracks to any playlist through this procedure. Here again, I'm showing you how to do it. Right-click, Add to Playlist. Another way to add a track to a playlist is to drag and drop it directly into the Prepare tab. Here I'm setting the Mediabase to go back to List View. In this view again, it's the same procedure. Drag and drop into the Prepare tab. The Prepare tab corresponds to a selection of media you will use for an upcoming mix, as opposed to the History tab. It's from this tab that you can create playlists. Here, I'm going to show you a simple example of duplicating a playlist. Right-click on Prepare, and then select Duplicate. A playlist is created. Rename the white field, in this case Break. Once this is completed, the playlist is saved. Please note that it's the same procedure for the Session tab. Now let's learn how to add media to a group. Groups are added at the bottom of the selection window and are used as filters. Right-click on the track and follow the path. Group, then Selected Items and Group, and Create Group. Here you must rename the group. I'm going to name it Comp Personal. Here I'm showing you how to find the group. Now if you check the bottom of the selection window, you'll notice the new group is created. You can access it just by double-clicking on the group and selecting. A group also works as a playlist because you can add and subtract tracks to the group. Another way to create a playlist. An empty playlist will be created. You have to rename it, and then you can just drag and drop media into it. The playlist is now ready to use. VFX offers a shortcut to be able to see all the playlists at once. Click on the list icon next to the orange plus, and you'll see an overview of all your playlists. This is a very handy tool for users who like to create many playlists. Now let's see how to remove a playlist. Click on the playlist you wish to remove, and then click on the gray X on the lower right side of the Mediabase window. Otherwise, when you right-click on a playlist, you'll be able to rename, duplicate, or delete it. Please note that the original tabs of the Mediabase cannot be deleted. These tabs are History, Session, and Prepare. Now let's take a look at the History tab for a moment. This tool keeps a precise record of all media played on VFX Control. It's sorted by date, by hour, and even track listed in the order in which you played the tracks. If you wish, you can turn the history of a certain day into a playlist. To do so, click on the first icon on the control bar. Here, check that the format you're using is M3U, and then select Open. Now you can save the history as a playlist. The control bar on the top of the Mediabase has many practical functions. You can use it to play music or create loops. Using the calendar icon, for example, you can precisely search the history per date and per hour of a track list. In the calendar, days that have a record are marked in red. The other ones are not marked. Another thing you need to know about the Mediabase is how its menu operates. To save the Mediabase, press Ctrl S, or otherwise, in the menu, go to Menu File, Mediabase, Save As. This will refresh the existing Mediabase and save the new tracks inside it. If you choose to create a new Mediabase, you need to rename it. Otherwise, if you go on Menu Rename, you'll be renaming the existing Mediabase. This is how to open a Mediabase. Select the Mediabase and then Open. The other way to open a Mediabase is to open it from the Explorer window. Please note that the format of the Mediabase on VFX is .vibes. This system is compatible with items coming from iTunes, Windows Media Players, or Serato. To import playlists from these sources, either go to File Mediabase, Import, or else File, Playlist, Import. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. For more information, go to www.mixvibes.com.